Wow, it's really good. Hello, Chef here. So it's summertime, barbecue season. Some of you are doing outdoor cooking, barbecue competitions, and various things. I thought I'd share some tips with you on these tougher cuts. This right here is a pork sirloin tip roast. And people don't understand this cut of meat, so they pass it up quite often, but it's only a couple bucks a pound, pork sirloin tip roast. Yeah, and I like it. Now you gotta do some magic to it to make it good. I'm gonna show you that. First thing you want to do is make yourself a dry rub. It's pretty simple. Couple parts of brown sugar. I'm doing a few of these today, so we're gonna use a generous amount of brown sugar. Some of this awesome Cajun seasoning blend. I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons in there. And salt and black pepper. How much depends on how salty you like your meat and how peppery you like your meat. There is no exact ratio. But if you want to get technical, we're going to say a teaspoon of salt and about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. I also like to put a little mustard in there from time to time. So we're going to put a teaspoon of mustard powder as well, and then you mix it up. So that's a dry rub for you right there. There's a ton of them out there. Of course, you can find all kinds of recipes, make your own, but I'm going to slather this all over the pork, rub it in real good, and right there, that's a homemade dry rub. Wow! Back to the pork, the first thing you got to do is remove it from the package, and don't make a mess all over your nice cutting board. Hopefully by now you have one of these rock maple cutting boards. So what you want to do is grab that pork and dry it off with paper towels, like that, okay? Remove this other stuff out of the way. I'll come back to that. So now this nice piece of pork is ready to go, and we're already working with the proper surface here. It's not too messy. That's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'd like you to do too. Okay? Next step, remove the silver skin. There's some various pieces along here. You can see some of them, but you want to get some of it off and try not to waste too much. By the way, if you have critters, this is an excellent form of protein for your critters, dogs, cats, or other critters. But that right there is not so good, so we take that off. Yeah, just like that. Repeat. I'll be back. Okay, the silver skin and the fat have been removed from this piece. It's looking good. I like to further break the muscles down just a little bit. And also I'm going to give this a little bit of a butterfly cut like this. Largest muscle, I'm going to separate it into 2 like that. Oh yeah, look at that. Next step, I've got this stainless steel meat tenderizer. You can get all this stuff at the sponsor. I'm going to give it just a little bit on both sides. That's going to help tenderize as well as help the marinade penetrate a little bit better. And now the meat goes in a stainless steel pan. Okay, I'm going to put some of this rub on here, my dry rub. And I also like this particular liquid smoke. It's good stuff. Let's put about a teaspoon on each one of these babies. We're going to rub it in. Oh yeah, just like that. Both sides. Put a little more of that smoke on there. Okay, so this is what you're looking for. I'm going to repeat this. Of course, I've got a fire going with a nice hot grill. Oh yeah, look at that. That pork sirloin tip roast is looking really good now. Yeah. By the way, a real quick equipment tip for you here. When you're all done and you're getting ready to clean up, if you're using maple, it kills germs naturally. I'm going to use a damp cloth like this. Okay. remove all the juices and residue, followed by a dry cloth. Doesn't matter if it's paper or cotton or a blend. There we go. That cutting board is clean and good to go. Let it dry completely before you prep more food. It's beautiful. Never put it in the sink. Oil it monthly. The knife, I've cleaned it with hot soapy water. Goes back in the knife block. Good to go. My grill is working right now. I got some hardwood happening out there. Of course, I'll select a nice piece of cherry and oak, possibly. We'll get this going, and yeah, those are the tips. Make sure to subscribe right down there. Smash that little button right there. Subscribe to the chefs. All kinds of other recipes and reviews and good stuff. You're gonna like it, and we're gonna like having you here too. So yeah, check out the sponsor. I'll be back. Get cooking and have a great day. Yeah, a quick searing over some hardwood. Then we're gonna let them slow cook. Oh yeah. That pork has got a nice crust on it. It's looking really, really good. I could slice it when it cools a little more. Show you what's inside. Wow. It's going to be really, really good. Smells amazing. Yeah. So check out some of the other videos and listen to my tips, and your barbecue's going to improve. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Alright, I'm going to cut one of these now. It's cooled off. I want to show you the color and smoke ring I've got going on here. Really, really tender. Cuts really nice. A little bit of that nice color there. You can see the smoke color in there. Very, very juicy. Wow, it's really good. I'm going to make a succulent sauce to go with this. Subscribe right there. Have a great day. Oh yeah, bruschetta tomatoes. Search the channel for the recipe. Oh yeah, right there. Smash that button right there. Put in bruschetta tomatoes. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. So I've been using this Porsche Turbo quite a few videos and for quite a while now. I really like it. Designed by F.A. Porsche. The Turbo has the blue pearl. The pearl tells you where your hand should stop, and it also stops it in the knife block. I really like this Turbo. It's a cool knife. It's starting to lose its edge. So here, before sharpening, you can see it's resisting the paper. Quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. My other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes. How to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm gonna eat that. Yeah, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm gonna roll this basil up. Do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, score all the cool stuff at your sponsor, get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're going to find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's going to be good. Oh Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, it's a really, really nice quality. Hard to find. Professional quality knives. This one's made in Germany. It's a really old knife. It's still going. I love it. You got to get the channel knife and of course melon ballers, all different shapes and sizes and styles. And you got to have a stable cutting board. Rock maple. Trust the chefs. Yeah. Slam the like button. Get cooking. Oh yeah. Have a great day. It's gonna be good. Yeah. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Have a beautiful day.